Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I'm taking a look at this screen replacement sent to me by SpiDoc. They do have more phone parts and other screen replacements. You can visit them at spidermall.com. I will also place a link on the description below as well. So also I do have a iPhone 6s with me here as well, which is already open and everything. Definitely you can find some great videos out there which show exactly how to remove the screen. But this part is only going to show what the quality of the screen is. And we're going to go ahead and put that on and see if it even turns on. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you're probably wondering, what is he doing putting this on? There's like no camera or home button. So pretty much this is just a test unit. It will turn on, so we can definitely test out how it works out. So I'm no professional when putting these things on, so I'm assuming that anyone can do this. So it's pretty straightforward. So we do have the wiring here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. Lightly press on that. That's on. And this will go on the second one there, which it should right now. And that's in. Cool. So right now, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it turns on. First, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. That looks much nicer. Before I close it, I'm definitely gonna turn it on, and there it is. Oh, I'm so happy when things just work, and let's just see if the touch screen works. That's the main thing we're after here. Perfect. Alrighty. So after some time looking at this, I haven't found anything wrong with it. Pretty much everything, the touchscreen works great. There's like no dead ends or anything like that. Everything works great. The brightness, everything looks good. And the colors too are like same as an iPhone 6s should be. And I don't see like any color bleeding or anything like that, which is great. Definitely would do this instead of paying someone to do this. Way cheaper just buying this, doing it yourself. With now YouTube being out there, how to remove the screen, how to put the screen back on here, definitely suggest doing this yourself. It may seem a little bit scary at first, but it does pay off after, because you will learn something new and you will have a new screen too. So my final thoughts on this screen replacement from SpiDoc here. Definitely it did its job. The installation part was easy. Usually the hard part is removing the original screen. If it's cracked, it's a little bit harder to remove that heating gun and all that stuff. But definitely there's videos out there that show you exactly how to remove it. But once you get that removed, putting the new screen back in here is easy. And this one from SpiDoc looks identical to the original. Colors, the movement like on the screen, like the touch, everything works as it should. Definitely check out reviews before you buy a cheap screen replacement. Definitely suggest you go to Spider Mall. They do have some nice screen replacements there as well. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.